Good morning. It is December 3rd, third day of Vlogmas. I'm gonna open up my advent calendars. So first, from Lydia of O Loops. Well, it's the O Loops advent calendar. Lydia is the wonderful dyer behind O Loops. Pretty cool. Called Pinecone and Winterberry Garland. Oh my god. It has sparkle in it. There you can see sparkle. And then a really cute stitch marker. It's like the ones I have on my socks right now. It's a little snowflake. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay. Then the rhapsodized one. Rhapsodized yarn. So 3 is dented in over here. And the little extra money is in the bag. It's called the Great Lake Harry Potter. I'm loving her way of dyeing. Izzy just got the zoomies. It's a 9 3/4 ornament. And from Kelly. Hedgehog Flowers Plump. And some Tootsie Rolls. And then from Sarah. These other little kitty cats. I had to put the cat stickers away because they're plasticky. And Izzy loves plastic. Because as much as I love the sweet face, he's a little bit of a demon. Oh my gosh. It's this gorgeous green called Felix Felicius. And she found small Sour Patch watermelons. Which are probably my favorite. So all the little treats do come to work with me because it's at work we have 12 days of holiday snacking, which start on Friday. But let's be really honest, it's just a snack fest from Thanksgiving onward. And I actually think these glasses are better for vlogging. I'm not getting the glare because they're not as big. Okay, that's just something to know. All right, I'm gonna wind up the O Loops one, get them in my socks, and get ready and go to work. I'm dressed, I just have to make my lunch. It's gonna be a turkey sandwich, leftovers. That's why I got the bread last night, so. Yes. This is what I get when I come home. No hi, hellos, just feed me. Not like he doesn't have his dry food. He wants his wet food though. Hi, I'm just making a little bit of dinner. It's gonna be a baked potato tonight. And I'm trying something new. I am trying to cook bacon in the microwave because I'm absolutely petrified of getting grease burns from cooking bacon. So let's see if this works. I have them at 4 minutes on lots and lots of paper towels. Who knows? So the bacon is done. It's not really crisp, but it will do to be crumbled up on a potato. And I didn't get any grease burns. Again, petrified. Just wanted to check back in. Just knitting on my cowl. I may have lost a stitch, oops. Knitting on my cowl. Not feeling great tonight. Dinner was good, but that's about been the highlight. I'm just tired. So I'm going to work on editing this vlog and going to bed. And I'll see you tomorrow.